to actually take a night at a state park nearby because Kat has 2 photo shoots tomorrow. But then we're heading to New Braunfels, Texas.
Got all your toys? Happy moving day!
Hello! Happy moving day to you. We're not ready. We need to check out in less than an hour.
Kai packed up all of his toys.
Kai's ready to roll. Kai, you ready to go?
It's kind of a lot of build-up to our moving day because we have to pack up everything just to move right across the street.
Try to pack everything up now, then just go park over there for a day, and then go park somewhere else for 2 days, and then go to New Braunfels and stay.
Just for perspective, it's freaking hot. I'm in little short shorts and a crop top. Andrew, I don't know what you're doing.
I didn't do laundry, so I'm wearing a wool liner.
And thick joggers from Alaska.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
So as we're picking up outside, little predicament, cleaning up after the dogs. That also includes their hair, and they shed quite a bit if you're not familiar with huskies, and it's really hot, so that's adding to their shedding. And all of their hair is just like embedded in the grass. You see, it's just like kind of all throughout our campsite. So my idea is just to vacuum up the grass and see if that works.
I should not have worn wool.
No crap, Sherlock.
Wool was a bad choice. The ocean is wild right now.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Wow. So fun fact, we almost bought this camper like, what, 4 years ago?
We did. A vintage cruiser. We almost bought it and didn't for certain reasons that I stand by. Look at these folks pulling an Airstream with a Land Rover.
Wow. Speaking of tow vehicles, we've been keeping a secret. We're getting a new tow vehicle for the Airstream.
Are we? What is news to me?
1, 2, 3. A Cybertruck.
So if I place a pre-order on a Cybertruck right now, maybe we'll have it by the year 2042 at the rate they're releasing these trucks.
Can the Cybertruck actually pull an Airstream?
Yeah, people are towing right now. People are towing full-size Airstreams with it right now.
They might not be able to stop.
So that's really not, I don't think that's much of an issue because the Cybertruck actually is a very heavy truck. And I'm assuming that it's equipped with brakes that can stop a 7,000-pound truck. So the Cybertruck actually weighs just about as much as the diesel Sierra does.
The accelerator is sticking, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that part.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah, that part, yeah. Here's my biggest beef with the Cybertruck when it comes to towing with it. And it's worse than the accelerator, all right? It's the fact that everybody that I talk to that's towing an Airstream or towing an RV with a travel trailer with their Cybertruck, their max range goes down to 110 to 180 miles. You literally have 2.5 hours of driving, and then you got to plug in for any, depending on if the supercharger or not, how good the charger is, between 45 minutes to 2 hours, maybe 3 hours. Based on what I'm told by people that own Cybertrucks that are actually living full-time in RVs and towing, right? Their range goes down to 150 miles. That relegates them to just traveling interstates, main highway. So they have to maintain a path that's along charging station routes, like basically flat interstates, so they're flat. The more they go on mountains, that range is going to go down to the low hundreds. So these trucks came out in January, and so all the people that are towing with them come November, December, we're gonna find out how those batteries perform when they're towing in mountainous terrain in -10, -20 degrees. Then I think, personally, we're gonna see that range go down to 80 to 90 miles. That is a ridiculously unsafe range to be driving in.
Tried to kick a football through the door of the camper and I missed and it went on the roof. And so now, and I don't have a ladder. So now I gotta get it.
Which, let's just back up. I tried to kick a football into the camper.
Stop it, shut up. What is wrong with you? Look at how easy that was. Look how easy that was and you were like, ah!
In a long lost dream is where I'll find you. With the wind blowing through your hair, brings me to my knees. In a long lost dream is where I'll find you. Oh, the look in your eyes makes me feel alive again. Begging, please, come with me. Begging, please, come with me.
It is such a gorgeous day. Little windy, if you can tell. I have a couple of shoots here today before we leave. So we are running the kids on the beach to get their energy out. So Andrew has a little bit easier time when he's by himself. Good job, Kai.
Is it hot in here?
It's 95 degrees.
You say it's time to let go. I say, where you going with my heart? I'm so afraid of getting lost. Tell me where you going with my heart. I say, where you going? Where you going? Where you going with?
Made it to our new home for the night.
We've been to the Tesla store. Decided not to buy one. Of all the EVs out there right now, truck-wise, I don't know if I would choose the Cybertruck. There's two other viable options. The Hummer EV, which I think doesn't look bad, honestly, and the Rivian R1T. That one's so far my favorite. I think the Cybertruck's got a lot of hype, and it's super rare right now. It has a lot of issues, though. I personally would go with the R1T, the Rivian R1T, but I also wouldn't go with the EV right now. Right now, we're gonna stay with gas and diesel, saying no to the Cybertruck. As fun as it might be, I don't want to be recharging every 150 miles. Until that's proven different, that's a no-go for us.
Tomorrow marks a new journey away from the ocean, which we're sad about. But we are adventuring into Austin, or more near Austin, and that's gonna open up a whole new plethora of adventures.
So many fun things to do in Austin. We'll get some sleep tonight, and we'll take you all along with us to Austin tomorrow. Looking forward to that.
Bye.
Good night.
I said, where you going? I said, where